Hello and welcome to the tutorial Important Information for your trade fair participation. My name is Bianca Stefan and I will accompany you through this tutorial today. To start with, we look at a short overview of the fairgrounds themselves in Nuremberg. The Insights X fair continues to occupy halls 1, 2 and 3 as marked orange on this plan. Entrance to the fair is via Eingang Mitte. Located in Eingang Mitte is also the fair management counter, where my colleagues and I will happily assist you personally with any questions you may have. If you choose to travel to the fair using public transport, the subway stop for line 1 is directly opposite Eingang Mitte. Again, this year, you can use the public transport free of charge to reach the fair site on fair days. Parking spaces for cars are signposted on site. A shuttle bus will run continuously between all stops from 7 a.m. until well after the fair finishes daily. Here you can see the admission times for you as exhibitors. Should you require an early assembly, please be aware that this requires prior registration via email with Ms. Lipford. Otherwise, the assembly may start on Tuesday, 2nd of October, 7 a.m. Please be advised that the 3rd of October is a public holiday in Germany and that trucks are not permitted to drive on this day. From Wednesday 3rd of October 6 p.m. onwards, you are only allowed to undertake decoration works on your own stand. The aisles must remain free to enable cleaning works to be done. During the fair, all our exhibitors may enter the fairgrounds from 7 a.m. onwards. Dismantling may begin Saturday 6th of October 6 p.m. and continues through to Sunday 7th of October 10 p.m. non-stop. Exhibitor passes will be sent out automatically after you have paid your participation fee, but not before the start of September. And again this year, the exhibitor passes are also valid during assembly and dismantling times. During the Insights X, there will be an after-hour event taking place to which we warmly invite you. This after-hour event is for exhibitors and visitors, and so you can relax together in a familiar atmosphere to finish the day together. But before we will see each other at the fair, we should take a step back and talk about your trade fair preparation first. To plan your preparation, we would like to assist you with an online fair calendar on our website under the topic Exhibitors. This way you can keep on top of things and don't miss a deadline. Whilst planning, I am sure you have logged yourself into our online service center many times before. However, I would like to take a look at a few key areas together with you today. You will become very familiar with the topic stands, technical equipment and services, as it is here you book all your technical supply, water and drainage and much more. New this year, that the disposal charges you normally incur will be covered by the waste disposal fee, which is €2 net per square meter stand area. For the assembly, dismantling and fair time, you simply take care of the production waste and fair stands. Additionally to the planning of your stand, you should also think about visitor marketing before the trade fair to get the most out of your fair participation. We have collated the most important services in a newly created area called Most Important Services in the online service center for you. These include the basic needs for your fair participation in form of a checklist, which includes the paths within the online service center to the right place to book these. An area where you input your stand construction contact details. This will enable us to contact the right person during the assembly time on site, much easier to clear important queries. And last but not least, you will find the media shop from Neureuter Fair Media here for all your media entries. Why not make the most of the already obligatory marketing package components? Here you see the various parts which represent the basis of your visitor marketing. There are some new additions this year which I would like to explain a little bit further. For the first time this year, we offer you a flat rate of invitation vouchers as well as the chance to order personalized visitor flyers. I will talk about the flat rate of invitation vouchers in a little more detail in the coming slides, but let's first talk shortly about the personalized visitor flyer. This personalized option is available in 13 languages, just like the normal flyer, and could assist you in bringing a more personal note into your visitor marketing. Here, an example of the personalized flyer so that you can imagine it better. Here you see in the bottom left-hand corner the area that you can create yourself. You can view the entire visitor flyer in the online service center, where you can choose to order a personalized or plain version. New this year, you now have available an unlimited amount of invitation voucher codes, a flat rate. This flat rate enables you to invite as many customers as you wish, without any additional cost. You could make use of the codes in your personalized area of the personalized visitor flyer, or you use them in your own visitor marketing projects. A first lot of voucher codes has already been sent to you via email mid-June, and you can order as many more codes as you please in the online service center. We also provide you with a guide on how to redeem a voucher code so that you can send it to your customers to assist them further with generating their ticket from the code provided. New, as of Insights X 2018, you can manage your voucher codes in your personal voucher admin shop. Here you can look up any time which voucher code has been redeemed from which customers. You can contact your customer accordingly to make an appointment at your stand or follow up with those who have not yet been active. You can find your own personal voucher admin shop in the online service center under My Documents. After the fair, you can also see exactly who has used their ticket and visited the Insights X. Also part of your marketing package are the letter stickers. Use this sticker on your outgoing mail to advertise your participation and your stand location at the Insights X. In the online service center, you can find a template to download and print further copies yourself, or you can order them and we will send them to you. We would happily assist you by personalizing them with hall and stand number if you wish, at no cost. All the previously mentioned visitor marketing tools you will find in the online service center under Marketing and Press. Additionally, you will find here also a great support for your press work and further diverse marketing tools for you to download, or even a template for a record of discussion. In this very same section of the online service center, you will also find another new addition, the free of charge voucher booklet. You could offer your visitors special fair discounts or giveaways here. Design your very own coupon and place it inside the voucher booklet for free. The voucher booklet will be available for download prior to the start of the fair and to some extent mailed out, whilst during the fair actively handed out to all fair visitors on site. Make use of the free of charge online banners as your digital reference to your fair participation at Insights X 2018 on your website, in your social network presence or web blogs, and even in your email signature. These can be personalized with your hall and stand number to guide visitors and your customers directly to your stand. We are also happy to provide you with various formats of logos for you to download. And of course, there are also QR codes for you. On our website, you will find a generic one that simply links to our Insights X homepage. Alternatively, you may want to individualize your own QR code that links directly to your own online catalog entry. Another free of charge tool that we can offer you are various checklists which could help assist you with staying on top of your to-do lists for your fair preparations. One of these talks about visitor invitations and communication. To assist you in getting the most out of your fair participation as an exhibitor, we can offer you some helpful hints here that may be useful to stand out amongst hundreds of other exhibitors. What can be done to get your customer to use the precious time for a fair visit? Offer an extra benefit that cannot be obtained anywhere else. A fair can be experienced with all your senses. Products can be touched and tested, and people meet people. Try to see things from your customer's side and tease them with partial information that make them curious to see and hear more. Integrate personal aspects in your communication and spread the word across all channels. Last but not least, take advantage of all the media and services the Insights X has to offer. There are many ways to draw attention to yourself on the fair site. We will go through just a few examples of this in visitor marketing during the trade fair. We offer advertising measures at the trade fair itself that may assist you on the grounds away from your own stand. For example, banner ups, floor posters, illuminated city light showcases, and much, much more. We would be delighted to assist you in choosing what is right for you. You can find all options, including their prices, in the online service center under the topic Marketing and Press. There, you will also find location plans on where inside the grounds these advertising measures may be placed. Another more interactive method of attracting attention to you and your products outside of your stand could be a join-in activity or a workshop in the atelier, which is located in the Insights Arena. These are free of charge for all of our exhibitors. Additionally to the join-in atelier, the Insights Arena also provides a comfortable lounge area with catering services for all your relaxed business conversations. The Insights X pursues the approach of getting visitors to interact and become more actively involved in the fair. So that is why we would also like to encourage all our exhibitors to follow our lead and not only get visitors involved in joining activities at the atelier and the Insights Arena, but also at your own stand. Here you have your own stage and there are no limits to your creativity. Publicize your offers in our online event calendar so as to communicate them. Enter your offer in the calendar via the online service center under the topic Marketing and Press and Advertising and Promotion. When the fair is over and you can book your success, the trade fair follow-up is vital. So as not to lose any of your contacts made during the fair, we offer you templates for record of discussions to manage your leads more accurately. These you can also find in the online service center under the topic Marketing and Press under Customer Invitations. We will very happily act as a source of further information or orientation should you require assistance. Nicole Lipford, Anne-Marie Ten and myself will be here to assist you prior, during and after the fair with all your questions. Also remember all the helpful hints we have covered in this tutorial. I will leave you now with these useful links and thank you for accompanying me through this tutorial. I wish you every success in preparing for your fair participation and I will see you in October.